International tutor Galina Kofod is known for her elegant leather flowers and her unique teaching techniques, developed through many years of teaching students around the world. In this comprehensive video tutorial, Galina demonstrates every stage of creating her beautiful piano rose. Although crafted from leather, this design captures the delicate beauty and graceful form of a real rose. Throughout this lesson, she explains how to select suitable leather, prepare each petal, shape them using flower-making tools, and assemble a rose that will retain its shape for years. Every step is demonstrated in detail, making the tutorial suitable for both beginners and experienced flower makers who wish to refine their skills. With just one pattern, you can create several distinctive versions of the piano rose. Galina demonstrates an alternative variation and explains how to adapt the pattern to achieve a completely different result. This makes the design both versatile and full of creative possibilities. As an exclusive bonus, this video tutorial includes a fully illustrated PDF tutorial featuring detailed instructions, templates, and step-by-step photographs, allowing you to work confidently at your own pace. Galina's tutorials combine professional techniques with clear instruction and thoughtful design, helping flower makers create elegant, realistic leather flowers with confidence. To purchase the complete Piano Rose video tutorial and receive the bonus illustrated PDF guide, please visit Galina's website.